I actually defeated AI by solving one of the most frustrating computer issue that I encountered. I was dealing with the issue for almost 6 months now. Just today, I fixed it. It was very simple and easy, but even the AI couldn't figure out. Okay, here is the quick overview. There is this software called VMware Workstation, which is a virtualization software that lets you run virtual machines on your computer. Just recently, it became completely free. This was a premium software. Anyone can download it for free and use it. And also, recently, they launched a brand new version of it, 25H2. Before this, it was version 17 something. But the version 25H2 has a major bug. When you go full screen on virtual machine, OBS Studio cannot record it. OBS Studio can record this fine when it's not in full screen, but as soon as you go full screen, the screen will go black on OBS Studio, but the actual virtual machine is running fine. There is no issue. You can interact with it and all that, but the OBS Studio is blank. It's just dark. You know, I make tutorial videos and sometimes I need to use a virtual machine to show you how things work and all that. But because of this issue, I couldn't use virtual machine. I actually had to downgrade the VMware Workstation to older version so I could use the virtual machine. But I wanted to use the latest version because it's a lot more improved and it's faster and all that. But I just couldn't use it for making videos. So almost like for 6 months, I was trying to find a solution. I was testing here and there. I was chatting with AI, especially the Gemini, because it has the Google search integration. It's the most powerful search engine. So I thought that this will help me fix it. If I go to my search history, you can see this is what I searched. Okay. Oh, it keeps the history of the chat. Okay, that's nice. So VMware full screen goes black on OBS Studio when recording. I thought maybe there is a issue with the encoder. So I also changed encoders. The AI was keep telling me that you should turn off the 3D acceleration. Without 3D acceleration, the virtual machine will just feel really slow and buggy. It doesn't feel good. So here is a live example actually. Okay, I'm recording this live. Okay, let's say I want to make a tutorial on this virtual machine. Let's turn this on. You can see it's working perfectly fine. Okay, but for better visibility, I have to go to full screen so everything looks nice. So let's go full screen. And now everything is dark. Okay, the virtual machine is working fine, okay, but OBS Studio just can't record it. If I go normal, no full screen, it records. Okay, you can see it's visible, right? So it's really annoying. And I was really frustrated actually, because I couldn't properly make videos on the latest version of VMware. So after, doing hundreds, thousands of searches, researches, chatting with AI, I thought, let's go to the VMware preferences and then display. And then I found these settings here. Maybe there is an issue with the new VMware, the version 25H2, when it renders the screen on full screen. I don't know exact reason, but I turned off the autofill guest to center guest, no resolution change. And then I also turned off the auto fit. And then if I open this, okay, this virtual machine again, okay, let's log in. Now let's go full screen. Nothing changes, right? But the screen resolution will stay as it is. It's not full screen. So if you also use VMware, make sure you're not on full screen and then change the resolution to its max, same as your display monitor. So I'm gonna go to display settings and then change it to 1080p. And then if I go full screen, no issues. Everything is visible. OBS can record it. I can go full screen with normal screen at any time. So this was a simple fix. Okay, I know this sounds really simple, but this is really annoying, especially when you don't get the info even after searching the entire internet and chatting with the AI. AIs are really helpful. They can figure out things really fast. Instead of doing a Google search, AI can give you better answers and all that. But if the information is not out there, it can't actually help you. All I'm trying to say here is that this is like big achievement for me. Okay, I'm happy that finally I can make tutorial videos on virtual machines on full screen without any issue, and I can use the latest software. If you're a regular viewer and you watch this video and you use VMware, this video is probably going to be really useful for you. Like if you're dealing with the same issue, probably you're dealing with the same issue if you're using the VMware, but I haven't seen any comments. Again, I did all the possible researches and everything. Okay, I couldn't find the solution. Okay, I tried changing the OBS Studio settings, encoders, and whatnot. I did almost everything, but the fix was within the VMware. Again, this is still confusing and hard to identify because before this update, the VMware was running fine, it was recordable. So naturally, we would assume there is something wrong with our hardware or recording software. Just imagine, for 6 months, I'm struggling to find a solution. But finally, I found it without any AI help. AI was just telling me to use the virtual machine without 3D acceleration. Without the 3D acceleration, virtual machines just feel sluggish. And all those suggestions were actually genuine, made sense, but never worked. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you found this video useful if you use the VMware and the OBS Studio. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye.